Let's solve these questions. We need to express each of the following situations with an appropriate equation. When you add 4 to a number, the result is -3. Adding 4 to a number, it means 4 plus a number, which is x equal to -3. 4 added to a number equal, or the result is -3. When you're subtracting 12 from twice the number, the result was 15. So subtracting 12, it means -12 from twice a number, from, as we said before, the number after it at the beginning. So twice a number, it means 2, a number we don't know its number, so it's x. The result, which means equal at the end, 15. So this is the equation we need to construct. We have 2x minus 12 equal to 15. The third type, or the third equation, sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is equal to 96. Consecutive, it means إن هم ورا بعض. 3 even numbers ورا بعض بالظبط equal to 96. We don't know these even numbers. So if you start for sure with x, what is the second one? Let's see the answer first. Now you can use y or x. I will use x. If the first one is x, the second even number will be x plus 2. And then we have x plus 4. The sum of all of these numbers is equal to 96. And as we said before, you can use x or use y or use n, any letter you need. So here is the equation. Let's go to example 2. Now we need to solve these equations. We need to know what is the answer using substitution method. Find the solution set of the equation 2x plus 1 equal 9 if the substitution set is 2 or 3 or 4. محتاجين نعرف الفاليو للx اللي يخلي 2 times x plus 1 equal to 9. So let's try. Let's try, instead of x, use 2. 2 times 2 plus 1 equal to 5. And this is not equal to 9. This sign, by the way, it means not equal. Now let's use another one, which is 3. 2 times 3 plus 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7, which also is not equal to 9. So it's not equal to the right-hand side, which is 9. So number 3 is not a solution to the equation. Let's try number 4, or value 4. We have 2x, so it means 2 times 4 plus 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 4 is the right answer for x. كل اللي احنا بنعمله في الاكزامبل ده او في الكويستشن ده احنا معانا equation. محتاجين نعرف which value of x give us 9 at the end. We can tell 4 here right answer. Solution set of the equation here is 4. Now let's know more about the equations. If you have a equal to b and you add c to both sides, it will be equal. Example, if you have x equal 2 and you need to add 3 to both sides, it will be equal also. Why? As x plus 3 here, it will be equal 2 plus 3, which is 5. احنا اتفقنا وقلنا من شوية ان x equal 2. فده معناه ان لو معانا x plus 3 اكيد هتكون equal 5. ده معناه ان 2 plus 3 equal 5. So if you add a value to both sides, it will be equal or the same. And here we have an example. If you have x minus 2 equal to 5, if you need to add 2 to both sides, it will be right. It will be equal. How? We have x minus 2 plus 2, then we have 5 plus 2. Now, minus 2 or negative 2 plus 2, it will be cancelled together. You just have x. 5 plus 2, at the end, it's equal to 7. And here, what we need to do? We need to cancelling any number related with x to know the value of x itself. So if you have x minus 2 equal to 5, we need to cancel out this minus 2 to know x itself, or to know the value of x itself. So to cancel minus 2, you need to add 2. And if you need to add 2 to one side, as we said, you need to add 2 to the other side also. So at the end, x equals 7. Let's know more about this. If you have this equation, a equal to b, and you need to subtract something, like minus c, minus a number, minus 2, minus 3, you have to do the same on the other side. زي ما اتفقنا في اللي فاتت, addition property, if you need to add something to the first part of the equation or the first expression, you have to add the same amount or the same value to the second part. Example, if you have x plus 4 equal to 10, and if you need to find the value of x itself, so you need to take out this 4. You can cancel plus 4 using minus 4. And if you subtract 4 from one side, you have to subtract 4 from the other side also. So that means you have this 1, and you have 10 minus 4. At the end, x equal to 6, as 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Multiplication property. If you have a equal to b, and you need to multiply something to one side, you have to multiply the same value to the other side. For example, if you have 1 over 3x equal to 4. Now that means x is divided by 3. فاكرين البالانس؟ فاكرين لما كان معانا x ومعانا 2 cards, and we need to cancel these 2 cards together to find the value of x itself. Same here. X now is divided by 3. You need to cancel this divided by 3, so you need to multiply 3. Whenever you multiply a value to one side, you have to multiply the same value to the other side. So let's multiply by 3 here to cancel this over 3 or divided 3. And if you multiply by 3 to one side, multiplying by 3 also to the other side. Now already you have x here, and on the other side 3 times 4 is 12. Let's go to the division property. Again and again, if you have a equal to b and you need to divide something to one part, you have to divide the same amount to the other part. An example for this, you have 5x equal to 30. That means you have 5 times a number equal to 30. To find x itself, you need to cancel out this times 5. How you can cancel times 5? You need to divide by 5. So whenever you divide a number to one side, you have to divide the same number to the other side. Now 5 over 5, they cancel each other. Now we have only x, then 30 divided by 5 is 6, so x equal 6.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.